They have a wonderful, I think, camaraderie in terms of making movies. At the same time, you wouldn't be surprised by the end of the day if they end up smooching as well. So you never know.
I like tall, dark,
Even
and
during
handsome men. Terrific father, a below average husband.
When you are there, how can you be a good husband? Huh?
No, he.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I can just say one more thing. He loves to grab men's private parts. I don't know why.
The fuck?
He loves it.
The Shah Rukh Khan cameo in Jagga Jasoos.
There can be a surprise.
They can be a surprise
Yeah,
from
yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan.
I saw one that radio thing you went to Radio City. ना? You knew everything about Katrina.
Obviously.
मेरे बारे में कुछ नहीं पता इसको यार.
Have you seen yourself, Dada? I mean, Katrina and my creative partnership is something that I don't want to lose out on.
Height of
Best of my
modesty,
capabilities. अब मैं कैसे बोलूँगा?
modesty.
तो मैं क्या बोलूँ? मैं फाड़ दिया है मैंने. It amazes me because I felt like I'm in a science fiction film. Like what a life he's had here. I'm not going to allow him to work with anybody else. I've said that very clearly. मैंने इसका नाम इतना खराब किया है पब्लिक पे कि इतना टाइम लगाता है, स्क्रिप्ट नहीं देता, कुछ नहीं देता, कोई काम नहीं
बदनाम
करेगा
कर दिया.
इसका. Hi guys, this is Ranbir Kapoor.
This is Anurag Basu and you're watching.
Bollywood Hangama. Keep watching.
We have this a wonderful director-actor combo of Anurag Basu and Ranbir Kapoor, and they have a wonderful, I think, camaraderie in terms of making movies. At the same time, you wouldn't be surprised by the end of the day if they end up smooching as well. So you never know. So first of all, pleasure having you guys on Bollywood Hangama.
Hello.
And
you very
why do you have this attraction for this guy that he likes to have this feeling of actually just going for you? What is it? I think even
Ask
during
him.
Barfi,
I like tall, dark,
even
and
during
handsome men.
that's a good headline actually. Yeah, so even during Barfi, I remember
Yeah.
it. There was a moment.
नहीं मैं हमेशा चांस पे डांस मार देता हूँ where he is concerned.
Right.
क्या है कि when we are making the film, no, and with Anurag Basu, I go through this a lot. It is such a frustrating process because there's so much of chaos, but eventually he pulls it off.
Right.
So when we come to the marketing part of the film,
Right.
then you start feeling love. But the process of the film, no, you want to shoot him, you want to stab him, you want to kidnap him, you want to like get him like blasted or something.
Right.
So suddenly वो प्यार बाद में आता है कि यार इसने ये फिल्म बनाई कैसे यार, मतलब ऑन सेट तो ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था, ऐसा लग रहा था कि you know we are going to commit suicide. But then how he pulls it off, it's mind blowing.
No, absolutely, and I think the promos are looking very good. I still remember I met him at Preetham's studio almost a year back. I think almost in exactly this similar time.
Yeah.
And I'm sure that you were busy with Jagga Jasoos at that point of time as well. And I was like, yeah, this movie is getting slightly delayed, but this guy is looking very happy. He was chilled out like anything. He was having a ball with all the boys around there. So how do you manage to retain that positivity and that joy?
No, I
and-
think I'm always like that. The whole unit is like that. He is like that. So I think we enjoy the process of filmmaking. There's no point, taking stress. Otherwise, it affects the work. I think.
Right.
So I think that's in our DNA.
Correct.
You know, and that's the thing I've realized, over like I've done more films than him now. He's done more TV shows, but I've done more films, done 14 films. But the whole process of like your entire crew and cast, the energy comes from the director. So the fact that people have stayed on this film for this period of time, it's only because of him, because he had a story to tell. There was conviction, there was belief. This is the film I'm set out to make, and everybody just believes in it. And I've not seen that, in many places. I feel like there are a lot of like bitching happening, in the production. And the assistant directors, kya ho raha hai? They're frustrated. Assistant directors go and come back. But a lot of assistant directors left this film, but eventually they all came back. So there's something which about him which attracts you because he's really trying to tell a story, in the best way possible.
We can see the attraction. We've got like a live example of that as well. Are you happy with the fact that once the promos have come out unanimously? Because within the circles, movie industry circles, सामने तो promo launch पे तो आपके क्या सर epic बनाया आपने, वो सब चीज़ें होती है, लेकिन बाहर निकलते ही जो हैं यार ये है वो, उसमें फट से मतलब एक criticism शुरू हो जाता है, जैसे backbiting की इन्होंने बात करी. But for this one, even behind the scenes, people are talking really good stuff about it. I think it is just making you curious as to what this world is all about, that you can pause, and it's looking an entertaining world. Are you happy with this thing that you're getting these vibes?
Good to know from you because I didn't know, because what I can do is put the film जैसी है वैसे communicate करें. थोड़े अभी तो बहुत कम आए. I think a lot of units are going to come out now slowly one by one.
I think
And
unanimous एक चीज़ जो हो रही है, like even I've been seeing feedback is people are really liking the world, the songs, you know, it's seeming new, it's seeming like really playful, childlike, but at the same time we've really not put the story out of the film yet. You know, our theatrical trailers are going to come out soon, so people will obviously get to know more about the film, engage them more. So right now we're playing on that intrigue level because it is a new world. There is no reference to this film, at least for me. I've never seen a film like this even abroad, you know, where
Yeah, it looks like world class.
I mean, I don't know if it's world
even
class,
in
but there
terms
is no
of-
reference. So how do you pitch this film? You know, what do you tell? What do you tell the audience? How do you attract the audience? So I think that's a challenge for us. But like, it bedazzles me, you know, what a new film this is and how he's pulled it off.
Gee, by world class, what I meant was that anyone, anywhere across the world, they may be curious to watch a film like this. यार ये exactly हो क्या रहा है? That's primarily I meant from world class point of view. Ranbir Kapoor, you have set, I think, as I mentioned you in the press conference, I spoke to Amir. He was in Malta, and he said that we were speaking about the fact that he's setting these benchmarks in terms of box office, constantly doing something new. And he said that for me, benchmarks are creative, and for me, benchmarks are being set by people like Ranbir Kapoor, who's constantly pushing the envelope. Now, you know, the fact is that you've taken so many chances so early in your career, and there are so many factors which are involved. Like when you do like a film like Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, everyone almost appreciates what you've done. But there is also this factor that considering Ranbir has done so many versatile films, maybe we've seen him do this before. And now you're coming with Jagga Jasoos, which is something that no one has done before in maybe India, abroad as well. Do you feel vindicated, and do you feel that you are too hard on yourself somehow for just
Not at all.
stretching
Not
the
at
limits?
all. You know, I'm so blessed and so grateful that I'm getting the opportunity to work with Anurag Basu, Rajkumar Hirani, Ayan Mukherjee. You know, these are filmmakers who I admire. You know, I'm a film fan myself. So I've admired their films before. I've hung out enough with them to know that I don't have much experiences in my life to showcase on screen. So I'm usually stealing from them, you know, from their stories, from their characters. Of course, you know, I have a talent which I bring on to set, but I'm not trying to experiment. I'm not trying to be different. These are films that I believe in. These are films that I love watching. Jagga Jasoos is a film that I would like to watch when I was 5 years old, or I would like to watch when I'm 50 years old. You know, and that was the whole idea, you know, when we wanted to produce this film, is because Dada said, yeah, we don't have films that we can, you know, the family can go with their little children, they can go with their parents, everyone can go together and enjoy a movie, you know, and like when you have to show your kids films, where do you go? You go show your animation films, you go and see Hollywood superhero films. So I think a film of our own culture, coming from our own land, stories about our characters, was very important, and yeah, so I think that was the intention behind
That
it.
was
Right. Now, Anurag Basu, you've had a Barfi, and it's been a while.
Yeah.
And I think any producer would have backed you that to make almost any film after Barfi, because you pulled it off, and it was like a 100 crore film as well. But why is it that you like being crazy the way you are? That you want to experiment with something which is absolutely maybe no one has seen before. It has taken a bit of time as well. What keeps you going? And
See, I was after Buffy Nights. Always, you know, when you start a new film, after finishing one film, it's like, you know, entering a dark tunnel without any torch. It's all dark. You don't know from where to start, what to do next. So, so I think the idea of Jagga was discussed during Burfi with Ranbir. Just this is what is in our mind. This is what we should do. You know, this is a kind of cinema we should do. But it was not number one priority list after Burfi. It was one of the ideas which I was trying with, but I was not very sure. I think credit goes to him. You know, it's उसने steering घुमाया. He slowly made me think on this direction. Dada, think about it, because there is a child inside you, you know, which will do justice to this kind of subject. Then I thought about it, and he was right. Actually, it's, credit goes to him, because otherwise, you know, I would have struggled to decide. I would have struggled to decide what to make next. So then, so this is just a subject which I thought it is scaring me. It is not safe, and I'm in love with the subject now. It's very important to be in love with the subject, because you're spending 1.5 years, 2 years, in this case 3 years, going on set every day. अगर subject से इश्क ना हो तो मतलब it's a very tedious process, going on set every day, and so you have to be really passionate about it. The whole thing is about to discover your passion about one subject, which I'm passionate about. This Jagga Jasoos actually did that to me. That, you know, just
You know, and I'm Sadar Faridun, like the time this film is taken, I remember like a year and a half back, me and Dada were constantly exchanging messages. Dada, is there a problem? Should we shelve this film? You know, should we go ahead? Should we make something else? We've just done this many percent. But he was always clear. Okay, you know, I believe in this story. I love this story. We were losing patience. You know, we were losing faith. But I think faith was the most important in something like this. And I think he's the only one. He and probably Ravi sir, Pritam. You know, they really stood by the film. You know, they had faith in this vision, and they all worked so hard to make it come alive.
Great. And now you've said at the promo launch that this is the best performance of Katrina Kaif. Why do you say that?
You know, Katrina, we've never seen Katrina like this. It is such an endearing character. Whenever she's on screen, you will smile because of the things that are happening around her, the kind of energy that she brought to the film. Like, I found it really endearing, and I don't think I've seen Katrina like this before. So I'm really looking forward to the audience's reaction to her.
So a couple of clarifications, if you can please make. When is the theatrical trailer coming out?
Theoretically, we are still. I think we just came out of the meeting trying to decide the date.
Right.
I think within a week.
Within a week.
Within a week's time.
Yes, already.
Okay, and there's a Shah Rukh Khan cameo in Jagga Jasoos.
No.
है?
है?
मुझे नहीं
करना
पता।
है? कर सकते हैं क्या पता You never know.
But
But
okay,
there can be a surprise
there can be a surprise
Yeah,
from
yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan.
From Shah Rukh Khan or from anybody else?
from anybody. There will be a surprise.
But there's no Shah Rukh Khan.
I'm not committing the actor.
I don't think there is Shah Rukh Khan. I would have known if there is Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay, so you're saying that there's no Shah Rukh Khan cameo.
But there
in
could be
Jagga
another
Jasoos.
person's cameo.
Okay, but it's not Shah Rukh Khan.
No.
Okay. That's very interesting. As you said, that Pritam is a very, very important part of this movie. If you can say some, I've spoken to him at various times as far as this movie is concerned, Bajrangi Bhaijaan as well as during Sultan, and he is very excited about it.
Yeah.
You said at the promo launch that maybe 20 songs you're having. In
He's
the movie.
actually the hero of the film.
Yeah. We wouldn't have dared to make this film if Pritam was not there with me. With any other music director, because of my relation with Pritam, I dared to do Jagga Jasoos. See, musical with love story is very easy to make. Musical with this genre is very difficult to pull it off. And when we say musical, Bollywood by itself is musical, right? We have songs. So La La Land में तो हिंदी फिल्म के ऐसे 5 गाने थे. So we cannot make musical like that. So there is a new genre. How to make musical within Bollywood, and it was tough, and I think Pritam gave 100%, 200% to the film. It's more of Pritam's film than my film. I always say that.
So in the film, the curiosity will be that in the film you won't be having the full versions of the song. They'll be like a minute or something like that.
No.
They're full songs
They're full songs.
in the movie as well.
Yeah.
And what's
So
the
people are going to
duration?
count. Somebody was asking me, 20 गाने तो 20 into 3 तो इतने गाने हो. It's not like that. So it's very difficult to scrutinize this film. कि 20 गाने हैं तो 20 into 20. अरे 2 घंटे को सिर्फ गाने हो गए. So I think I'm not giving any clarification. I think people should come and see and enjoy.
See the world.
See the world, because it's very difficult to explain it by through words and not showing them. It's very difficult.
Great. So we have a few segments with both of you guys. We'll try and see
Yeah.
how much we can get. We've taken a few fan questions as well. There are lots of them, and you can win something for the first segment, which is how well do you guys know each other? Considering that you can even smooch each other, and
He'll know nothing about him.
Yeah.
so we'll see. So we'll give you options. So the options can always आप तुक्का तो लगा ही सकते हैं. So we'll start with sir, if you allow.
Yeah.
So how well does Anurag Basu know Ranbir Kapoor?
Okay.
In which film did Ranbir Kapoor assist Sanjay Leela Bhansali? He wasn't acting in that film. He
Black.
was black. So it's
Yeah.
not that he doesn't know. Okay. In which year did his debut film Savarya release? Should I give you options for that?
Yeah.
2005, 2006, 2007, 2008.
2006, 2007.
2007, 2 out of 2. So ऐसा नहीं है कि that. Okay, what is Ranbir Kapoor's date of birth? Should I give you options for that?
28th September, 20th September is enough.
20th September is fine.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So I think you know.
three out of 3 so far. I should give him like a slightly more difficult question now. Okay, what is the name of the iconic character Ranbir played in Rockstar? Should I give you options for that?
Yeah.
Kabir, Janardhan, Bubbly, Johnny, Balraj.
Janardhan.
4 out of 4. With which of the following directors Ranbir Kapoor has not worked with so far?
Yeah.
Okay, Shimit Amin, Mani Ratnam, Rajkumar Santoshi, Prakash Jha.
Mani Ratnam. Simple है.
Simple है. 5 out of 5.
You're
asking me easy questions.
You can't say दादा का
Yeah,
वो
ask
4th
easy
serial कौन सा
questions.
था या 5th episode क्या बनाया था.
Oh, that is, I think he is really, I think, done well.
Hamper,
so
man,
now,
hamper.
रुक
नहीं,
जाओ, मेरी बारी तो देखो.
okay, so now
I'm skipping that. You had said 2006 and then 2007. वो फिर भी दे रहा हूँ आपको.
2007.
हाँ, but पहले 2006 बोला, but चलो दिया वो.
नहीं, पहले डिक्लेयर डेट 2006 का हुआ था.
हाँ. नहीं.
साथ में
okay.
difficult ढूंढ रहे हैं. Looking for some difficult questions to ask.
Okay, so how well does Ranbir Kapoor know Anurag Basu? What is Anurag Basu's birth date?
Options.
25th February, 7th May, 8th June, 8th May.
May.
May what?
Which one?
The second option. What is the second option?
25th
He knows
February,
my star sign.
7th
So
May,
just guess.
8th.
Seventh May.
It's
Hamper दे.
क्या है?
8th May.
लेकिन वो था कहाँ?
7th May, 8th June and 8th May.
अच्छा, you said 8th May. Sorry, I didn't know you said 8th May as an option. 8th May.
दादू.
May, you're right. Okay, wrong. Next.
Now you're playing for honor. Okay. So what is Anurag Basu's Twitter handle? Should I give you options for that?
Yeah.
Basu Anurag, Anurag Basu, Anu Basu, Jasus Basu.
He does will not know.
Say
that.
again.
Basu Anurag, Anurag Basu, Anu Basu, Jasus Basu. He has a lot of Jasus on Twitter actually.
Basu Anurag?
Correct. Correct. 1 out of 2.
तो स्पाई करता है.
What was
एक second, let me concentrate.
what was the name of first television show he directed? I'll give you options for this. Saturday Suspense, Koshish Ek Asha, Tara Ajeeb Dastan.
Okay.
Saturday Suspense is like... See, Saturday Suspense was those 1 episodes, right?
Correct. वो तो reject.
Saturday Suspense.
नहीं. Yeah,
सोच
Tara, I know, was much later. The Saturday Suspense, what is the other two you said? Tara?
अजीब दास्तान,
दादा मेरा बाल. हाँ, और?
कोशिश एक आशा, तारा अजीब दास्तान.
तारा तो नहीं है. तारा बाद में आया था.
अबे मैं सही बोल रहा हूँ.
Saturday Suspense हमसे.
सारा बोल रहा हूँ.
तो तारा तो बाद में आया था यार.
96. So
See.
1 out of 3. So Ranbir Kapoor, please. I'm giving you more.
I saw one that radio thing you went to Radio City. You knew everything about Katrina.
Obviously.
मेरे बारे में कुछ नहीं पता इसको.
Have you seen yourself, दादा?
What was his directorial debut in films? I'll give you options.
Saya. I mean, that was half rated.
Let
Okay.
me. साया, तुमसा नहीं देखा, गैंगस्टर, कुछ तो है.
See, कुछ तो ही left.
तुमसा नहीं देखा also I left.
हाँ, तुमसा नहीं देखा. So I'm saying Saya.
Final जवाब.
Saya.
Saya. Okay, so 2 out of 4. Okay, for which film did he get his first Filmfare Award? Life in a Metro, कुछ तो है, Saya, Barfi.
I'm thinking he could have got a writing something for Life in a Metro. Barfi he won the show, but what's it? Life in a Metro?
Life in a Metro. 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5. But the winner by a handsome margin is Mr. Anurag Basu. Congratulations for that. Any victory speeches that you'd like to give, sir?
Huh?
Any victory speeches that you'd like to give?
No, thank you. I'll see what.
ये तो
is
भूल जाएगा
inside.
इधर.
There's a very nice Bluetooth speaker
Wow.
that you
Yeah?
like.
Oh, wow.
There's a
I
very
need
fine
one Bluetooth
speaker that you really like. So now we have a rapid fire round with both of you guys. So we'll start with
Dada.
Ranbir Kapoor. If you
Let's start with Dada.
We'll start with Anurag Basu.
No, let's start with me.
Let's start with Ranbir Kapoor then.
नहीं, तू.
No, I'm sorry. No, the last time you started, so I want to put pressure on you now.
Okay.
Rapid fire with Ranbir Kapoor. One rumor about you that isn't true.
One rumor about me that isn't true. Every rumor about me is not true. I promise you that. There was a point where 85%, I used to say that 85% rumors about me is true. Right now in the current scenario, and I think what's happening with media right now is because of the internet, people are having freedom to really write anything.
Right.
And publications are picking it up because they're hiding behind question marks and sources.
Correct.
Sorry, I'm passionate about this. So everything is false nowadays. Don't believe anything that you read. It's all entertainment, show business, I get it. But it's a bit dodgy.
Right. Did you prepare yourself before coming for that press conference that day?
Of course,
Yeah.
you have no idea. I think
I saw them rehearsing.
I think like after like so much time, and me and Katrina were coming in front of the press, we thought that the press would be like throwing boomerangs and nunchucks.
Right.
They were so good.
कोई
And
गलती
it
आपने
was-
करी हो या गलती करना चाह रहे हो कुछ ना कुछ गलती
Yeah, but there was like it was a very healthy press conference. You know, I was really happy with the way the press was approaching it. You know, I think they really eased us into it.
Yani even I think you guys managed it very nicely as well. Okay, one thing about Anurag Basu no one knows.
अरे यार संभल के बोलो।
One thing about Anurag Basu nobody knows that he actually can do makeup. He can choreograph. You can pull his finger and he'll fart at any point. He's an amazing cook. He's
that
a
is right.
terrific father, a below average husband.
When you are there, how can he be good as well? Huh?
No, his wife is so supportive of him and he tortures her. But I guess that's his kind of love. And
हो गया।
yeah, I can just say one more thing. He loves to grab men's private parts. I don't know why. The fuck? He loves it. Like on set, he's constantly.
So I got it from
Now
him.
you can't even put
I
a
got it
question
from
mark.
him.
He's constantly hitting people's private parts.
There is a making, Burfi making, you know, wherever you should see that making where Ranveer comes and how he greets everybody on the set. So you should, and you'll understand from where I got it.
But the truth is, what I'm saying is the truth.
We'll come to that. What would Ranbir Kapoor be doing if not making films?
If not making films, I would say trying to play football. You know, I'll try to be a professional player or a coach of a children's team. And I would also struggle to be an actor. I would really try hard to be an actor.
Okay, one thing you discovered about Katrina and Jagga Jasoos you never knew before.
You know, I always believe, especially for me, acting is about partnership. You know, you're usually acting with somebody, and the heroine, usually in Hindi films, is a big partner that you have to form. And I think the dynamic that Katrina and me have on set, and the kind of other movies we've done, it's like catch. You know, like I'm throwing something, she catches, she throws on a catch. And I've always realized that Katrina has always allowed me to shine. You know, there are many actors that you work with who probably are selfish. You know, they want to like come out better than you. But I think Katrina has that amazing, graceful quality where she wants you to shine. And I'm really. I'm really grateful towards that. You know, I think the other two films we had done, Rajniti and Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani, it was a similar process. You know, she wanted me to be better. She wanted me to come out as a good hero. You know, and people loved me. And I think with Jagga Jasoos, she has supported me in the same way.
Okay, what was your life's Ullu Ka Patta moment?
Ullu Ka Patta means what? Son of a owl?
हाँ
I mean, to be honest, I would love to be an Ullu Ka Patta all the time. I don't want to be like sorted or a smart cookie and stuff like that. I think being an Ullu Ka Patta is the correct way of living life. I don't want to be a very skillful person. You know, I want to be an Ullu.
That's what I think Steve Jobs would have completely agreed. He has said that. Be foolish. Okay, now rapid fire with Anurag Basu after a stupendous
Boss, ye to mera
performance by Ranbir Kapoor.
Ye to mera hai.
One thing about Ranbir Kapoor no one knows. Now he's really given a.
he's scared of
Okay, one
lizard.
sec. Okay.
Chipkali.
He's scared of. Okay. One thing about Katrina Kaif no one knows.
She's scared of Ranveer.
One thing about Katrina Kaif nobody knows. What? हाँ, she's no.
कुछ तो होगा.
कुछ तो है. Yeah. हाँ, इसको she's scared of lizard. She's as what do you call insect allergy? What? She's got that.
Yeah, she gets allergies.
Allergies, yeah. Whenever you shoot in jungle or something, she gets allergy all skin. So you have to be very careful. Yeah.
Right. Okay, do you believe in sequels?
No.
In?
Sequels.
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 I believe in sequels. In case of Jagga Jasoos, otherwise not.
Also, you can make a sequel for.
I made Jagga Jasoos so that I can make a sequel.
Oh wow.
It's a franchise film. We're leaving the film also as a cliffhanger to go into part 2.
Yep.
Oh, that's very interesting. That's very interesting. 3 must-watch films according to you.
Bollywood, Hollywood,
Anything.
anything?
Let's say 3 Bollywood, 3 Hollywood for you. Your film.
Casablanca
Okay.
or Casablanca.
Billy Wilder film?
Billy Wilder, all Billy Wilder films. Apartment. I love Apartment. And Wong Kar-wai ki kaun si picture?
Mood for Love.
Mood for Love.
And 3 Hindi?
Three Hindi. I'll start with. I'll start. अच्छा. Kantat Bhai. नहीं.
Tezab is his favorite all-time film.
Tezab is all.
Kapoor.
Yeah,
I just met Anil
He's
Kapoor.
Anil Kapoor's biggest fan.
I'm Anil Kapoor
Oh,
because
okay.
And Rajkumar, Munna Bhai. I love Munna Bhai, and I also love Three Idiots.
Oh wow. Okay. If you can use 3 words to describe Jagga Jasoos.
3 words: adventurous, funny, musical, mysterious, emotional, love. It's endless.
Musical.
There are many.
Okay, fantastic. I think, but we'll have to give it to Ranbir Kapoor. You can share.
वापस दे दो.
Bluetooth.
Quickly, we'll have a few fan questions as well. There are many of them, but let's take a few at least, because especially his fans, they've been asking for a long time now. Okay, so fan questions with Ranbir Kapoor. Okay, this is Maria from Bhavnagar, Gujarat. One thing that you love about Katrina Kaif.
Hi Maria. There's not one thing I love about her, but if I have to pick one thing, it would be probably her positivity, her positive attitude, towards her work. Even when the film's out, there are many times that you doubt, but she's positive, and she gives you that energy that, listen, stand by your work, stand by your film. And I think that's a big learning I've had in my life.
All this speculation that Katrina has said that whether you guys will be working together again or not, because many times
I
certain
read
thing
that
is said
also.
in a jest,
I read that,
and उसको जिस तरीके से present किया जाता है, it seems so serious.
Yeah, and I called her and said, "Ye kya yaar? Would you not work with me or what?" She said, "Obviously not. It's such a silly thing. I think people have just grabbed something from the Facebook
Yeah.
chat we had done."
Yeah.
No, like I said, man. I mean, Katrina and my creative partnership is something that I don't want to lose out on. I hope I can work with her in a lot of films. And we also, like I said, if once we get to Jagga Jasoos sequel, we can't do it without her.
Fantastic, fantastic. Manize from Iran for Ranbir. What is that one thing about your role in the movie that will stay with you in your real life? That's interesting.
Jagga?
Ji.
Hi Manize. I think what I really will take back subconsciously from the film is your love for your family and the importance of family in your life. We take it for granted, because we have our family and we take them for granted usually. I think this has really made me realize what family means to me.
Fantastic. This is Amir from Germany. What was the one scene in Jagga Jasoos that touched your heart?
Hi Amir. Well, there are many scenes, but I would say the climax of the film.
Climax of the film.
Yeah, it'll bring a smile to your face and tears to your eyes.
Okay, this is Jason from Dubai. Is Jagga Jasoos more of a children's film or will it appeal to adults as well?
You're an adult.
I'm an adult. It appeals a lot to me.
Yeah. So I think, and it appealed to my kids. So I think it's going to appeal. I hope so.
Yeah.
Because I think my kids have seen, they have loved it. Ranbir has seen, he has liked it. So this was the intention.
Let me tell you something. Who doesn't like Lion King?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Who doesn't like
Cars 3
Aladdin?
Cars 3 has just.
Yeah, who doesn't like Toy Story? I think story is a story. A story has to reach out to a spectrum of an age group, and if you can do that, if you're able to succeed in that, there's nothing better than that.
If there is a child inside you, and this, I think you will love the film.
I think this is very important. You would like to take it. This is Rajshri Tiwari from Indore. Did we fans trouble you a lot by asking so many questions in these 4 years about JJ, Jagga Jasoos?
Hi Rashi, guys. Sometimes I lost my temper on Twitter, and but at the same time, your love and it kept me going, And I thought there are so many people are expecting a lot from Jagga Jasoos. So I think thank you for that.
This is a very interesting question. Sukanya from Kolkata for Anurag Basu. What made you to cast Shashwata Chatterjee as Jagga's dad in the film?
Hey, I am a big fan of Shashwata, and I've been wanted to cast Shashwata in some other
Kahani guy.
Kahani, yeah. But but Shashwata I know for a very long time, and we have a lot of common friends, and I really respect him as an actor. But this was the role which was tailor-made. I called the first day I shot. He was not on the set. I said, "Ki, we have done the perfect casting for this role."
We actually went to Kolkata just to do his interview after Kahani. Just to do his interview, nothing else apart from
Is that powerful?
We spoke to Param as well, the other guy as well. But what an actor. Sanjana Siriak from Mumbai. What would you like to tell to your fan page's fans?
Hi Sanjana. I would like to fold my hands and say thank you. I'm not on social media, but still you guys support me, still you guys fight for me, still you guys promote me, market me. So I'm very grateful for that. I'm very grateful for the love and support you guys have showed. And Jagga Jasoos is a little thank you from me that, to keep you entertained and for you to sustain that love for me. Thank you.
Okay, this one is a very interesting question. This is the last question. This is really interesting. Sangamitra from Kolkata. Ostrich became popular from Jagga Jasoos. From where did you get the idea of making RK and KK sit on ostrich? That's a very interesting question, actually.
I mean, the first time I heard it, I was like, what the?
I don't know. This visual really fascinates me. It's just riding an ostrich. I saw it, when I was in one of the trip in South Africa. I saw some ostriches riding. So I really wanted to be part of this Jagga Jasoos. And the ostrich is me actually in the film.
Okay.
Why do you say that? Why is
Look
it
at
you?
his expression.
Yeah. He always like, whenever we asked Dada film अच्छी बन रही है, Dada film कब release हो रही है, this was his reaction.
Something about that biopic and Ayan's film, that even before it has been, it's still being made. Really, it happens that a film creates such an amount of curiosity. There is already, I think, it's like a head-on project. Everyone's curious about everything that you're doing for the film and all your looks. Something about the
Well, we're nearing
that biopic
completion
and-
now. I have, I think, 2 weeks of work left.
Right.
I think it went well. I don't know. I'm very nervous. It was a great opportunity, to work with Rajkumar Hirani, Abhijat, at the same time to play Sanjay Dutt. And I hope I'm not screwed it up. That's my only fear, because it's, like you said, there's a lot of pressure. There's a lot of there's a spotlight on the film, and I hope I've done
Height of
best of my
modesty,
capabilities. अब मैं कैसे बोलूँगा?
modesty.
तो मैं क्या बोलूँ? मैं फाड़ दिया है मैंने. फिल्म को आने दे तो फाड़ दिया. अब क्या बोलूँगा?
Because there's a tremendous curiosity about the fact that आपने क्या रखा होगा and क्या नहीं रखा होगा, because his life is such an, I think, amazing journey it has been, that people are so I've heard it in gym for that matter. There are people discussing कि यार वो रखा होगा यार, here seriously, and I swear
To be honest, Farid,
and there are many people who
when I
think
worked
like
in
that.
this film, it amazes me because I felt like I'm in a science fiction film. Like, what a life he's had here.
Absolutely.
And those, when I have to recreate, chalo, I'm to acting, but then to think that this man has really gone through all of this, and he's owned up to his mistakes. And like I said, it's a very honest film. It's not something which we are taking away from whatever he is. I think it's a very honest portrayal of a man, of a very controversial man, of a very loved man. And I hope that I've brought in some soul to his being, apart from highlighting just the hero aspect of Sanjay Dutt, just to make him more human, just to make him, for you to understand him as a human being. I think that was my biggest concern, and I hope I've been able to achieve that.
Right, because when it's Rajkumar Hirani, I'm sure that his presentation, it's not going to be like all goody and all that stuff, because he's someone who takes his credibility very, very seriously. So what are you doing next?
जो भी है मेरे साथ है, तो मेरे डेट्स अगले साल अप्रैल से फ्री हूँ. I'm not going to allow him to work with anybody else. I've said that very clearly. मैंने इसका नाम इतना खराब किया है पब्लिक पे कि इतना टाइम लगाता है, स्क्रिप्ट नहीं देता, कुछ नहीं देता, कोई काम ही नहीं
बदनाम
करेगा
कर
इसके
दिया. And he makes it a point कि जाके सबको बोले.
सबको बोलता है, यार ये दादा ना यार, और कोपची में मैं ही
I
साइन
don't
कर
know.
लेता
I
हूँ.
really don't know what next.
But we have a couple of projects we're talking about. Couple of
Yeah.
projects in the pipeline.
Do you feel good that in spite of the fact that the film has been in some time in making, you still get this sort of love and dedication?
Yeah, from him, yes.
Yeah.
So no. Actually, it's all. You're as good as your last film.
Yeah.
So I'm just hoping that
Right.
this comes out good and people want to work with me. अभी तो बोल रहा है, देखता हूँ.
मैं तेरे सामने कैमरा के सामने बोल रहा हूँ, मैं आज साइन कर रहा हूँ, जो भी दादा बनाना चाहते हैं, anything. I feel कि any vision of his, I would, now apart from him as a filmmaker and my relationship with him as an actor director, now he's like family, I love him, he's part of my world.
Right.
I have very few people in my life, even though we're not like best friends where we hang out every day, but I want him in my life for the next 20 years. So in any aspect, if you're producing films together, if we are, collaborating as actor director, in whatever, we have a great idea for a TV show to do together. So I hope, something kind of.
He's going to do debut in TV with us.
Oh, okay. Then there's speculation that you've said somewhere that maybe you won't be producing anymore after this film.
Yeah, I said that because I'll tell you why I said that. I said that because producing is a job, and I feel I'm not really good at it. I think I'm an actor, and I can say, okay, I'm producing it, but this film was not produced by me. It was produced by Dada, his team, and Disney. So maybe if when we win Best Film Award and I go and take the award, then I'm like, okay, this feels good, but I don't think I'm cut out to be a producer. I think there is a.
Why can't you be modest as a producer also?
No, I want to win Best Film, Dada.
तो थोड़ा modesty.
इतना टाइम लगा है, बेस्ट फिल्म अवार्ड ले आओ ये फिल्म. कुछ करो बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It was lovely talking to you guys and really looking forward to the film and all your future ventures. And ये दुआ कर सकते हैं कि ये जोड़ी बनी रहे, मतलब जो भी है आप लोगों के बीच में, हम लोग जज नहीं कर रहे हैं इसको, लेकिन ये कि बना रहे. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
I like tall, dark and handsome men.
Thank you very much. That's
14
all.
July, guys. 14 July.
14 July. I don't say that for any film, but I'll say for this film. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.